What's up, y'all? What's it gonna be? Hell nah. Oh, shit. God damn it. God. No. God. Oh, hell nah. That's crazy. Don't you start. Am I too far? I don't even know what's going on right now. The truth of the matter is, I'm not going to keep you long because I don't have long to give. That's just the truth of the matter. I'm going to be really quick with this one. I went to the thrift store. This is my first outing at the thrift store. And my first outing back again.
Overlay of unemployment benefit come July.
My first time back at the thrift store. And my experience wasn't bad. It wasn't a ton of people in there. I actually waited a while, like they've been open for a while, but you know, just playing it safe. And then now the rates are skyrocketing back up, so that might be the first and last for a while. But anyways, I got some things from the thrift store, and I thought that I would come on here and show you guys really quick what I got. Like I said, I'm going to be really quick. I'm not going to take too much of your time. So this is everything that I got at the thrift store, and I got a lot of cute shit. I mean, not a lot, but a good amount of cute shit. And I actually got a few brand new pieces. Like you can tell they never been used. And I'm like, wow. But I guess maybe because they were closed for so long, so they was able to put some stuff that was maybe in the back, put some stuff out that had been sitting for a while, or I don't know. But anyway, so the first things first, I got these two house dresses, one in blue, one in green. I hope that it's picking up, because when I was trying it on, the colors didn't really pick up, but it looked like it's trying to pick up now. But as you can see, this is like a baby blue, and this is like a sea green, or whatever color green that is. But they're both like house dresses. You wouldn't really wear them out. They're like they're pajamas, but they're house dresses. Like you could wear them inside. They're really light and see-through and airy, so you can sleep comfortably in them and be in the house comfortably in them. I love them because I could just throw them on. It was $3 each. It was so damn cheap, and you could tell nobody wore them. The tag was still on them. Bless you. The tag was still on them, and they're crispy. Like nobody ever wore these, so I was like, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna definitely take those home with me, because I can be real comfortable in those. So the next thing that I got is this little skirt. It's just like a little mini skirt. I thought that the print on it was so cute, and then the two slits. I just love slits and skirts and dresses. I love slits. And this little print is so cute. I feel like this will bless you. I don't know if you've seen it or if that's the thing, but this print was really cute. And this, I believe, was $1. This skirt was $1, and it's very, very cute. Nice little mini skirt you could wear with a little sweater. Very trendy. And look at this girl. She done basically. The next thing I got is this shirt, and actually this shirt right here definitely needs to be washed because it smells just like whoever or he could have tried it on, I don't know, and then didn't want to wear it. It smells just like cologne. Like, it smells just like cologne. And Robert was like, my fiance was like, this shirt smell like a man. You better not have went to no man house. I'm like, what? Boy, I went to the damn thrift store. What the hell are you talking about? But it does smell like a man. It smell like he sprayed this on it and donated it. But it's okay. It's very cute. I actually bought it for my fiance, but he didn't like it. He said it's not his style. So fine, I'll wear it. No problem. I will wear it. You're not threatening me with a good time. So the next thing that I got is clothing piece. This is the last clothing piece. I got this little jumpsuit, and I love this green. It's giving me like total 80 vibes. You know, this color was big in the 80s. This color was real big in the 80s and the 90s. So this is giving me real 80s vibe, little jumpsuit. And the tag is giving me real 80s vibe. It's called a parachute. So I guess like a parachute, but it's a parachute. So, and it was $7. Oh, this shirt was $8 too, which was a bit much, but I said I was going to get it because I was giving it to my fiance, but he didn't even want it. So I wouldn't have normally paid $8 for a shirt. And actually now, since they're not letting you try on items, I literally sat there in one of the aisles and tried on the items. But they're not letting you try on the items in the thrift store either. So they are letting you try on the items, and if they don't fit, you have 2 weeks to bring them back, and you can get a store credit. So there's a tip for you. But this one right here was $7, really cute. You can wear this with some little sneakers or with some heels. I might taper the bottom and then kind of make it like dress it up and wear it with some heels, like taper the bottom, which I have a video on that, and I'll link it down below. Okay, so that was the last clothing piece. Okay, and then I got these clear heels. So then I got these clear heels. These clear heels were brand new. Nobody ever wore them. Another brand new item. Brand new. Nobody ever wore them. They were $10. These are from Pretty Little Thing. And I don't have no basic clear heels like these. So when I saw them and it was $10 and they were my size, I was like, I need to get these. Now I can tell like whoever did buy these from Pretty Little Thing, they might have been over, what I want to say, they might have been a little too big, because these are a size 8 and I wear an 8.5 and they fit perfectly. They fit like a size 8.5. So they probably was too big for whoever foot this was. That's why they just donated them to the thrift store, but these were never worn. So I was like, score. Mommy, I'm almost done. I was like, score, this is a good buy. Like $10, you can't beat that. Okay, so that's it for fashion. I've got, okay, first of all, I got an Instant Pot, a pressure cooker. So when I seen this little cookbook that had some Instant Pot recipes, I thought that this was good because I have an Instant Pot and I have just now started getting into it. It's cute without the cover, and yeah, like this is a really good find for $3. Now I also got this thing. I'm gonna have to insert the name because I don't forgot and I don't have time to Google it because my kid is tripping. Stop. Right. So this is good for like mixing. You guys know it's good for like mixing and mashing up stuff, especially like if you like making avocado, or if you like making sauces, or if you like to mush up spices. This is very good. Everybody knows what this is, especially if you're a cooker. And I found this. Let me see if I can get it real good. Look how beautiful that is. I found this brand new. Nobody ever used this thing. Brand new, $3 at the Goodwill. So this was an awesome buy too. Like even when I was ringing it up, the lady was like, wow, oh my God, that is such a good buy. And I was like, yeah, it's mine, mommy. Ring it up. This little book. This book is literally, I mean, like, it means nothing to me. I don't even know what it's about. I literally got it because of the aesthetic. So when you take this off, this book was $1, I think. When you take this off, look at this book. It is so nice and aesthetically pleasing. Like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, just a black book, and it has silver writing. And it says Saving Leslie Jones. I hope they're not a racist, because I literally don't know what this book is about. But it was just so aesthetically pleasing that I'm just like, oh, I have to have it. Like, this is such a nice book. So I picked up this book only for decor purposes, which brings me to this thing that I got. Look how big and beautiful this thing is. So in the middle of my ottoman, hopefully we'll be getting new couches soon, but in the middle of my ottoman is this little black tray, and to me it's just not catching my eye anymore. So when I saw this and only for $3, let's see, when I saw this and it was only for $3, I don't know if you guys can see that it says $3 up there. I'm like, oh, I have to get this because this is so big and beautiful. Like, I have so many things that this will go with, and it breaks up the texture. Hold on, mommy, hold on. And it breaks up the texture in my house from the black and white. You guys can see my decor a little bit. I have gold, black and white, basically. But this thing with a nice book in the middle, like this book, I'm not sure if I'll use this book, but I'll see when I set it up. Like this book in the middle of this thing, and a flower, and maybe your sage or whatever, is so pretty. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that. Gonna be putting this in the middle of my ottoman. And if I get a new ottoman or new couches, it'll still go, because I'm definitely still gonna stick with either a gray or a brown couch. So not brown, like that peanut butter color, if I can find one. I really want a peanut butter couch, but I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, this is really cute. That's all I got on my first thrift haul. I mean, on my first time baby. Oh, look. That's what I got on my first time thrifting, back thrifting. And yeah, it was a success. I ended up spending $50. I don't know how, but it's okay. All for the love of you guys, so I can have something to show you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video and this thrift haul, please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you wish. Of course, watch a whole bunch of my other videos. They all lit anyway. So if you're not a family member, please subscribe. You're missing a lot. Okay? And that's all I'm going to say on that. And that's that on that. So, baby. Until the next one, guys. Bye.